Hello everyone, in front of me is HONOR X7d, and let me show you how to activate developer options. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and just take a look. There is no developer options right now. Let's go back and enroll About Phone. Here you have to locate build number. It's actually at the top of the list. Tap on it 7 times. Then enter your PIN code, password, whatever you use, and as you can see, from now on you are a developer. So you can smoothly go back, enter System and Updates, and as you can see, developer options appear right here. Click to open, scroll, and you can use them however you like. To switch developer panel off, just unmark the stop indicator. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.